Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to show the entire label in Trello. So guys, first is just simply go to your Trello board, and after that just simply go ahead and select one of your list, and from here you should be able to have your task in the list. And now from here on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here labels. So just simply go ahead and select it. And after that, you will have here multiple options. And in order for you to show the entire label, you could just simply go ahead and click on create a new label over here. And now from here, you should be able to add a title over here. Let's say I'm going to go for on progress. And after that, you should be able to select a color. So pretty much this will be depending on you, on which color code you will use. And after that, you can just simply click on create. And after that, you will have here the label. And now from here, you should be able to add multiple label on the list. So you could just simply toggle the box over here, and now you could also just simply enable the color blind friendly mode over here as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching.